Hey everybody, this is Jared Adcock, Crushing Product Manager for Superior Industries. We're out here at the CONEXPO 2026 booth. We're going to show you the C1920 VSI. This has been a very exciting project for us over the last couple years. With the acquisition of Cemco VSIs and our pre-existing line of Valor VSIs, we were able to kind of take the best of both machines and combine them into one. So let's take a look at some of the features. So starting off, this machine is a V-twin design, so you can see the dual drive system is all off to one side. This allows the machine to be a little tighter footprint, a lot better for portability. This machine is also equipped with hydraulic motor adjustment, so that makes tensioning your belts as needed a very simple process. Next, you can see we've made a lot of changes to the lid and the lid lift mechanism of the machine. So this machine comes equipped with a hydraulic lid lift mechanism. So this is a dual acting cylinder that lifts the lid up out of the way. Quick and easy, push it over, do your maintenance, swing it back and lower it down. With VSIs, you want to make sure you're in them every day. So this system really helps accomplish that goal. Another thing we've added is the air transfer system inside to help with dust mitigation. And then we have an external feed tube adjustment as well, so you don't have to fiddle around the inside of the machine adjusting the feed tube height as it wears out. You can do it all external in the machine. With the combination of the Cemco units and the Valor units, we were able to add a lot more chamber configurations to the machine. So we have multiple different rotors, multiple different open tables, as well as new rock shelf designs and anvil ring designs.